All right, folks, we're here with our nuke, and let me show you just how easy this is to put it in. We're literally going to take the frames in this nuke out and put them in the exact same order they are in the box in our new hive body. Pretty easy to do, very hard to screw up, and let's just do it. Beautiful frame that they're working on right now, drawn comb. Nice big brood frame here with some honey already being backfilled. This is a very full nuke. You can see on the other side, full brood frame here. Another very large brood frame. Really important to get these big colonies out very quickly, because if we were to leave this in here much longer, this colony would swarm. And finally, a frame full of eggs and young larvae. Just checking to see if our queen is on here. We haven't seen her yet, but there is evidence of her with eggs just about everywhere on that frame. And I can already see her on the next frame as I'm looking over there. Right here, there is our queen. So seeing eggs and the queen, she's a marked queen. Goes right in there. We are all set. Very easy. We're going to push these frames together towards the middle. You can see I'm running a 9-frame setup in a 10-frame box. Put those other frames in, and we're good to go. The next thing I'm going to be doing with this colony is putting a pollen patty on it. I'll put a drawn super on top of that and a feeder on top of that, and we'll let this colony rock and roll.